Hi everyone, welcome to new video. So in this video, we'll see how to install Android Studio. So Android Studio is used to develop a mobile application. Okay, so now we'll see how we can install that. So open your favorite browser, which one you like. I'll open Chrome now. Okay, so here search for Android Studio. Okay. So here, as you can see, the first link like developer.android.com, just click on this link and you'll be redirect direct to the page of Android Studio, where you can get a direct link to download this app. All right. So here, as you can see, download Android Studio. Just click on this. So here you'll get these terms and conditions. Just scroll down and here just check this and download it. So as you can see, the size of this Android Studio is about 872 MB. It will take some time to download, and we'll wait for this to download and complete, and we'll proceed with installation. And as you can see, our download has been completed, so we'll open this in showing folder. So in my case, it has been downloaded in download section. So just open this and here just double click on this. As you can see, our installation has been begin, and there are few processes to complete this installation. I want you to stay. Okay, here you'll get our installation window over here. Just click on next, and here no need to change anything like Android virtual device, so keep it as check and click on next. And before that, you need about 2.7 GB of space to install this complete Android Studio. So next, select, click on next, and now by default it is selected the C drive, and I don't want to change my mind over here. And if you want to install this in some other location, you can change it in the browse section. So as of now, I'll click on next. Okay, here now select install, and your installation will be. As you can see, our download has been completed. So now you can go for show details like what and all has been installed. As well, I'll select for next, and here we'll check this. Don't uncheck this, just check this, so that we'll launch this Android Studio. Okay, and click on finish. Now here there are two options, which is config or installation directory, and one more, do not import settings. So what are these in? If suppose if you have installed Android Studio previously in your system, means that you're going to show these two options. And as of now, I don't want to change anything else, so I'll go for the second option, and I want you guys to go for the second option, so that what are the previous installation or configuration that will be ignored and new one will be changed or updated. Okay, so next. And here this will ask for like allow Google to collect your usage data for Android Studio or not. So I don't want to send any status, or if you want to select like send usage status to Google, means like some updates whatever from the Google status, that is going to share with you. And I don't want to do that, so I'll click on don't send. And here as you can see, like welcome to visit, so now we'll click for next. And here there are two options. First one is standard and custom. So if you are a beginner user, I want you to go for the standard, by default option standard. And in the custom, like you can able to install few of the dependencies, but you can also be able to install in the standard as well. As of now, by default we'll go with the standard, so select next. And here there are two options. First one is darker and lighter. So if you click on lighter, your complete theme will be in the lighter. And there are two types of people. Few people like light color, and few of them like dark color. So as of now, I'll go for the lighter one. Okay, so click on next. And here as you can see, these are some of the verification or the verify components which is going to be downloaded after this. So like emulator, build tools, and SDK path, so on. So now click on next, and here as you can see, there are few of the license over here. This you need to accept. So click on accept, and here now you need to select what all you want to install. So for everything you need to give a accept, accept, accept. So where this you gonna install it, right? So that's why. So accept, and here we have this. Click on accept. Okay, now click on finish, and as you can see the download, so what and all you have seen the previous, so that download has been begin, and it will take some time to download work here. Okay, as you can see this, our download has been completed. So now we'll click on finish, and here what you can see means, so customization and plugins. Oh, here if you want to install new plugins means you can install over here like Flutter, like so there are few more other things. As now we'll keep it as it is. So projects. So now here, now click on new project, and as of now we are not taking any template, so we'll go with the empty activity. Okay, so click on next, and here you need to give a project name. As of now we'll create a sample project, so let's say hello world. All right, so this is our package name, so com.example.hello world, and this is where your project will be stored. I don't want to save my project in C drive, so I'll change the project directory. So I'll go for a D drive over here in my case, and inside this what I'm going to do, I'll try to create a folder over here. Let's say in D drive, create a new folder. The folder name will be mobile apps. Okay, so click on OK, and here a new file which is created over here, select that and click on OK. And see here what are the project I am developing. I'll be developing in Java language, so I'll select Java, and here you can select the minimum SDK. So minimum SDK means what are the apps or mobile apps which you're gonna develop or which you're gonna build over here. You can select what is the minimum version of Android. So now we have Android version which is Android 11, correct? So what is the minimum version where this Android has to run? Like you can select Lollipop, Marshmallow, and Jelly Bean. So I'll go with the Lollipop itself. So here and this shows us your app will run approximately 98.0% of devices. Okay, so now I'll click on finish. Okay, so here this is creating our new workspace, and it will take some time to load. Please hold on. Okay, here just give allow from Windows firewall, so allow access. So at the bottom as you can see, it is scanning files to the index at the here. We'll wait for that so that it loads completely. As you can see over here at the bottom, so this Gradle is installing few dependencies or some files. So we wait till this gets completed, and here as you can see at the right side, so this is some of the news. So if you want to read, you can read over here. As of now I don't want to read this, so I'll just minimize, and here's okay, minimize. So this is our activity which is our code, and this is our XML. It is still loading, and project is also loading because the installation is going on. So we'll wait, and we'll wait till this completes till 100%. Okay, as you can see our download has been completed. So here at the top right side, as you can see, a design as split and code option. So design where you can able to design your mobile app. So how you gonna how your app should look like user interface, and you can split it as well, like you can see the code, like whatever the design which you're gonna add over here, that will be changed over here. And if you want to code directly, you can able to see this code. Okay, and here I'll just minimize this, so I don't want this anymore. And now if you want, you can open it directly like build. So now let's okay, here if I go to my design, as you can see. Okay, so in the beginning of our we have created a project, right? As you can see, hello world, you can see the hello world. So this is what, suppose you can, if you want to change your name, you can change it as well. So let's say, so here as you can see, this is the hello world. Let's say welcome, like this, so that will be changed. So as you can see here, it is welcome. Now it's changed to welcome, so design has been changed. And you can zoom it like this as well, or you can directly zoom it by pressing the control buttons in the scroll bar, control and scroll up and scroll down, so you can able to zoom in and zoom out using your mouse. And if you want, let's run this project. So here, how to run this project, we need to select a device. So to add this device, so just click on over here, and here you need to select device manager. And there are two options. First one is physical and virtual. So if I give you physical, that will be connected to my actual physical mobile device. So like if I see the output in my mobile, means it's very difficult to show you guys. So I'll create a virtual, like a complete mobile, a virtual mobile will be created in our desktop itself. So let's create a device. And here is it, as you can see, you can see what are the versions. You can see that's all of Google. So let's say Pixel 3. Okay, so now you need to okay, let's click on next. Okay, so here they are. Okay, so as you can see, there are different Android versions over here, like Oreo version, Nougat, Pi, Q, or S. So we'll go with the Pi version, which is the ninth version. So let's click on download. As you can see, Android 9, or let's say go for the Oreo 8.0. So that it will be compatible for all of this. So as of now, we'll go for the 8th version. So download, and here the download has been started, and it will take some. As you can see, our download has been completed. So let's click on finish. And here Oreo has been already created. As you can see, Oreo, which is in a dark black color, or which is in bold. So now we'll select this and click on next. And here I'll keep it by all of this default, like this is what is going to show in the drop down to selected devices. So I'll keep it by default. So let's click on okay, name this vid, or we'll keep it the same thing. So let's click on finish, and this is going to create a new virtual device. So virtual device has been created. So as of now, I'll minimize this over here. And if you want to add a virtual device, you can, I showed you just now. So you need to go for device manager, and you can add a virtual device. So now we'll select this. So this has been selected, so we'll run this. As you can see, we have started our virtual device. So this is our actual mobile virtual device. See what are the modification you do over here, that will be changed over here. As you can see, I'll just show you. See, so this is, we have welcome over here. So this is our hello world application. We have created hello world right in the beginning. So hello world application, and we have our simple text in our design. As you can see, welcome. So that is being displayed in our virtual device. So whatever the design which you want to make over here, you can see over here as well, and you can directly connect to a virtual device. So what you can see over here, this is actual real mobile. As you can see, let me, if I close this, as you can see, you can able to see all the apps over here. Like if I scroll down a little bit, it's very little difficult, so I can't able to scroll down. Okay, this is here you can see Android option, right? Okay, just hold a second. Okay, so scroll up. So okay, here you can see an Android, right? So this is our, oh no, this is actually a browser. Okay, this is what how you can create a virtual device, so you can able to make everything. This is actually a real mobile, but it is a virtual. That's it. Okay, so I hope you guys understood how to install and download Android Studio and what are the modifications or what are the configuration which you want to concentrate while installing this. So we'll meet in our next session, and there will be a series on mobile app development as well. So if you don't know anything about mobile app development, we'll go from the basic, from the series, from the beginning, so that you can able to build your own application. So we'll learn how to see, and we'll learn how to make a design, user interface design like other apps. Okay, so stay with me, and we'll connect or we'll meet again in our next video. Until then, take care, goodbye, and bye bye. See you guys in the next video.